Hi guys, today I'm going to make a quick and easy tutorial to how to use Teamwork. So right now we're on the main page. We have to click on start a free trial. So now we're being redirected to this page right here, and now we have to log in with our details. Like guys, so you see here that we have to enter our work email address, our password, and our full name. So you have the options to select if you'd like your site to be hosted on the EU, or would you like to receive Teamwork Marketing Communications. So right now I'm gonna select sign up with Google because it will be more easy for me. So right now I'll click this right here because I don't want to receive any of this. So right now we have to fill up these blanks, like which sector best describes our company. I'll like say IT services. How many people are in your company? I would say 201 to 500. I am what's the role do you perform in your I would say that I'm a founder, let's say. Our company name is Ned Tech, and my phone number, I'll enter it in no time. So just give me a second to find this, find it. It will only take a while. Here it is. Just remove this, and yeah, everything's alright right now. Just waiting a little bit for it to load. Yes, you see guys right here. See how this moves. It should indicate. Okay, so now this should pop up. Help us personalize your experience. What do you want to do for Teamwork? So now you can change these things based on your wants and needs. Like you can build your clients for work, you can work with clients, you can work on reporting on profitability and utilization, you can manage team capacity. But I would choose this two because I want to. And right here, what type of project are we working on? Let's say a client project, and our client's company name, let's say it's Ned Help. Continue. Create our first project. Let's start from a template. Recommended IT services. Guys, you see that we can here make something. We can start it from scratch. Like you here see that the title comes here. Like if I write help, it would come here. But if I click on start from template, we can choose from several templates. And let's just choose task management and continue. Yeah, let's call it task management, and let's make it a board. We can, right here, we can invite our teammates to our first project, but right now I won't add anyone here. So I'm sorry guys, just wait a few seconds here while we are being redirected. And right now guys, we can see that this is our main menu. Right here we can see here's like a quick tutorial. If you would like to see this, here's some educational things to get more in depth with these things. Here's our home button. Right now, here are our projects. Here is it, the project we just made. Now we can go in it and we can see what things we can do. Here we can check the progress, like we can make it to 100%, like this is now cleared, but we can follow it so we can get notifications, we can we can set the lock time, we can start a timer, also we can automate this. But we really don't need this right now. We can use these things if you would like to, but right now I'm just here to show you. So there are to do things, doing things, and done things. Like if we see this, we can drag this in here. To make it done, we can just monitor everything that is going on right now in the team, and set the boundaries and everything. We can check everything. We can also edit your account information, like you can edit your email, you can edit your name, your last name, your working hours, your hourly rates, and you can also change the passwords of your accounts, to enable two-factor authentication, set your details, set your address, write bio. You can also write notes. You can link in your socials. You can set the localization, permissions, preferences, and API and mobile. But right now, guys, I want to show you the... Just give me a second while I'm trying to find it. Here is it, guys. Let me show you the paid subscription. So right here there is a subscription, our Teamwork subscription, which is priced as $20 per month, and we have 5 seats with no space used, 100% available, and just give me a second, guys, I didn't mean really to click that. But yes, you have been given some perks for this subscription. Let me see, guys, I want to see. Yes, there are also other subscriptions, like the starter subscription, the delivered subscription, the grow subscription, and the scale subscription. So let's see. For starter, so it's for starter is 5 per user, $5.99 per user, and for 5 seats, that is the maximum, it's, let's say, $30. It's $29.95. The deliver is $10 per person and $49.95 for 5 persons. We can also set it to monthly or annual, and we can also see that the scale subscription is the best one, because it has all these perks that the previous subscriptions have and more. But if you want to have this subscription, you have to contact the sales and talk to them for the fee. And guys, yes, I think that this was a good brief explanation for teamwork.com. If you liked the video, if I helped you, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. See ya.